Hey everyone! As you know, saffron is one of the most fragrant and delicious spices that it can make everyone happy too. Today we are gonna learn how to brew saffron. First, pour the saffron into the mortar. Gently grind it till it turns to a powder. Saffron can be prepared in two ways. In the first method, pour some saffron into a dish. Put a few ice cubes on it. Let it melt gradually and the color of saffron changes. In the second method, pour some saffron into a dish. Pour a little boiling water on it. Put the lid on till it brews with boiling water steam. 10 minutes is enough time.
A few minutes later.
Now we compare the two dishes. The dish on the left is saffron prepared with ice, and the dish on the right is saffron prepared with boiling water. Now you can see the result of this comparison.